Hello, in front of me I've got Cubot X19S. Today I'll show you how to manage Google Pay. Firstly, tap on Google Pay, and as you can see, this is our home screen. In here we can add card, look in the community, see our recent activity, add loyalty card, and basically this is the main page of Google Pay. If you tap payment, in here you can add payment method by scanning the card or entering details manually. Right here we've got our passes. Click here to see your activity. Right here we've got lists of all participating banks in Google Pay. In here you can add promo code. And last things is settings, contactless setup, help and support, send feedback and about. Let's tap on settings. We've got general and notifications. You can turn on email updates and Gmail imports. You can change location settings and edit your account info and privacy controls. In notifications, you can turn on notifications about purchases, offers and tips, and updates about your passes. And the last thing is this button. In here you get access to your Google account. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.